Hey everyone! Well, I've finally gotten to test the last of my acquisitions, the last of my fan acquisitions from a few days ago before, I think, was it after? I think it was, after Christmas, that just before New Year's. I met up with Dan Spiffy Newman and I picked out quite a few fans from the back that he was going to go through. It was in his pile. He volunteers at his local restore, so yeah. So this one was definitely one I wanted to have. He knows it too, so this Union Montgomery Ward spinner could be Evergo too, but I don't see an Evergo name on it. It looks like it's Union, probably Montgomery Ward, so kind of the same thing. But since this is single speed, I'm going to set the amps, set it to amps, and we're going to just do 0 to high right away. 0.79. 0.79 was its inrush. These things are known to fly. It's picking up speed. And I'm definitely feeling a good amount of air off of this thing. God, I love these things. And just so everyone knows, I am definitely a sucker for these Evergo type fans, these Evergo spinners, especially the industrial, the Goldline. So these resemble the residential version of that, of the Union first generation Goldline. So the final current draw is 0.76, using 85 or 86 watts. It's almost 86 watts. And a power factor of 1, we're going to call that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do an airflow back here, since it is a pretty strong one. And I'm feeling a breeze. It's touching K55. This is actually touching K55. Almost. We're really close to it. Just point it up just a little bit. Perfect. Alright. Yeah, it's definitely under it. You get the breeze of a Casablanca or an Emerson K55 type motor. Here's spin down. These, for a residential fan, these are quite powerful little spinners here. Long spin down with this one. It's definitely a good fan. Well, there's actually a reverse switch on the lower canopy. It's just a rocker switch, so we're going to test it in reverse as well. So this one we can do. Most of these are not reversible, but this one is. So another 0 to high. Interesting, draws less current on reverse. Huh. Interesting. How it doesn't really draw as much, or it doesn't go as fast in reverse. Interesting. Interesting. All right. I'm going to go back to forward again. We're going to do the decade box now, which is this thing here. Going through 1 through 10 microfarads. See where this starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maybe slightly stiff, but slightly stiff if you try to run it on low speed, but okay. But at least it starts on 5, so you can use it on a standard wall control. Here's 6, 7, and here's 8. Yeah, okay, you're kind of getting into functional low there. Okay, maybe more like medium low. So 5 and 8. And 9. 10. 11. 12. And here's 13. Okay. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so you could use a standard 5, 8, 13. I'm going to hit high. So you still got a ways from 20, and there's still a noticeable difference. So you could I probably would use either 6, 8, 14 or 5, 8, 13. Either of those would be good for this fan. 8, 12, 20 is a little fast. Okay, so let's go 23. 25, 27, 30. Okay, so we're really close to high on forward, and that's interesting that reverse doesn't draw as much current as forward does, and forward goes way faster. 31, 32, 33, 34. If I hit high, I'm right there. Flops. So let's just see if I can creep over. Just at the very end, I just start to creep over, but that ain't gonna hurt it. You're not gonna hurt it with it just creeping over at 40 microfarads. So really, this fan is definitely a good fan, safe on any wall controls. In fact, oftentimes these would come with a choke control, like one of those control boxes that are like 4 or 5 speed that kind of look like an old washing machine dial. Okay, now we're going to do the solid state. See how this reacts on there. Okay. Bit buzzy. It's buzzy up close, but I can't really notice it from a distance. I mean, I can work with this in the living room. or in this shop room. I can work with it here. Going up a little more. All right, and I'm at high, at solid state high. All right, and it draws just a nose hair under, so any control is good with this control. Any control is good with this fan. All right. Well, that's all I have for this Montgomery Ward Union Evergo type spinner fan with cane blades, and I'll be seeing you next time with more fans later on. So in the meantime, subscribe to this channel, and also stay tuned. I will have information on the upcoming Fanimation Fan Museum group trip gathering that's coming up in March, so stay tuned for that, because I'm going to really be talking about that, as I'm now someone that helps lead those things, and you'll see them on my channel here. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you want to hear more information on those. So until next time with more fans, I am out, and I'll see you. Thanks for watching.